guys, it's Happy Crystal and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing of the Starbucks 2021 planner. This is actually my first Starbucks planner. Thanks to Machan for the planner. First, we are removing the plastic and we can see here that it says Starbucks 2021 planner. And the siren's tail in dark green and some yellow scales, which I think looks really nice. It is also wrapped in a thin Japanese paper, very secured, and we can see there's another plastic. Now we have here the planner, and it has a soft velvety texture and the iconic siren's face embossed. We also have a bookmark and a garter to keep your inserts in place. It's very nice to touch. I really like the texture. So inside, we can see some cute stickers. Let's put that aside. There is a blank page and a picture of a coffee, nice. And there is a page to write down your personal information, and the QR codes below are the links for the websites of Starbucks. And we can see here the overview for the year 2021 and 2022. Of course, the dates to note so you can plan out your vacation leaves. We can also see here that this planner is produced in a Forest Stewardship Council certified facility and printed on an FSC certified paper. There is an overview of each month where you can plan out events and other notable dates in your life. And of course, the weekly overview, a simple layout that will be useful to create your to-do lists and plan out your day. There is a spacious notes section, which is classic. And here at the back, we have 5 coupons that you can use for each quarter in 2021. There's also a little envelope at the back where you can put some notes and stickers. So that's it for my video today. I hope this helped you if you're thinking of collecting the stickers to have your very own Starbucks planner next year. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get more videos from me, and click on that notification bell button below. It would really make my day. Thanks for watching!